I'm often asked what's going to be the next thing, the latest, greatest thing that's going to make us far more productive than ever before. The answer doesn't lie in what's coming that's new. The answer lies in leveraging and capitalizing on what we already have. Much like the same way 10 years ago, we all thought we needed a bread maker in the kitchen. We don't actually need more things, more stuff to clutter up our lives. What we need is to be a bit more strategic and focused about the stuff or the technology that we currently use. What do I mean by that? It means thinking about how are you going to get best return on investment of your time. Every day we give part of ourselves to our work, to our home, and to sleep, the three elements of our lives. We want to make sure that we do the best we can, particularly with the people we care about in our work and our family or our home life. So the best thing we can do is think about how we are using the technology and are we using it more effectively. People often say, if only I knew how to do this, or this task takes me this period of time. If it took me less, things would be so much easier. What if we focused our attention on the things that we have to do, the high priority items, and we worked out ways that we could increase our efficiency with just those tools? What if we put focused attention on one thing at a time rather than trying to splinter our attention onto multiple things only to find that we don't do any of them very well at all? What about just focusing on the one thing today that is going to make your life easier tomorrow? Whatever that might be, I encourage you to look at that and work on that now.